Okay, so I'm going to do the tool review. Performance, the C3 Max Axess Ratchet. I'm going to do a brake job right now. Just going to show you using the 14 millimeter socket. Let me find it. 13, 15, where do I put it at? It's the 14 millimeter socket. Where'd it go? We're gonna start with the 14 millimeter socket. You install it through the back. I'm using only one hand. And to break the ball loose, first we're gonna put it down, the lock position. So I'm gonna do a brake repair on this one. We're gonna change the brakes. The caliper bolt, you put it on the reverse. What you're gonna do, forward. I have to put it on the forward on this side. So we're gonna break it loose by hand first. Oh, that was easy. Then you change. Oh, actually, you know what? Put it again on the. Put it through the wrong side. It's supposed to go on the other side. So let me correct that. The socket's supposed to go through this side. Okay, so I put in the socket on the wrong side. It's supposed to be going on this side. There we go. Not on this side like I had it. So now I can put it on the reverse. So you put it on the locking mode to break it loose. Once you break it loose, you just switch it back to automatic. Let's do the top one. Break it loose. It's hard to do with one hand. You just switch it back to auto. That's it. I'll do the bracket calipers right now. Let me remove the caliper. I'm gonna do the bracket. I'm gonna do the bottom one with the pass-through design, and I'll do the one with the one on top with the square 3A adapter. I have to remove the one of the sliding bolts that goes into the caliper bracket. So first you put it on the locking mode again, down, reverse side. You break it loose. Switch it back, switch back to auto. There we go. So let me do the 3A square adapter. So here's the tool with the 3A square adapter. See if I can focus this thing. 70 millimeter. We're gonna do the top one. Again, you put it in the locking mode. You put the pull your tool, put it right there, the 17 millimeter snap-on socket, put it in the manual mode, break it loose again, there we go. Oops, sorry, only don't using one hand. Switch it back to auto, and there we go. Just won't let it go all the way because the bracket will fall. But that's it. That's a pretty good job. So I like it. The issue I have is pulling the sockets out because they're too tight. Not this one. This is a quick release. Just push and the socket will drop. But like this one, doesn't come off easily, which is good for now. But even the pass-through design, put them through the back, too, to get them out, it's difficult because of the ring they have inside that holds them by the groove. But here's the video of the performance, and I actually like it. So thank you for watching.